Let's quickly find the place value and face value of this 5-digit number. This one falls under ones, tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones or units. So you have, since it's under 1, is 1 times 1, which is 1. Under tens is 2 times 10, which is 20. Under 100 is 3 times 100, which is 300. Under thousands is 4 times 1,000, which is 4,000. Now this is 10,000s. It should be 5 times 10,000. And when you have 5 times 10,000, it will be 50,000. So these are the place value of this digit. Why the face value remains the number of the digits the way it is. I hope this is clear enough. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.